Welcome in a world where the untamed spirit of the wilderness meets a child's favorite playground. In this fun learning adventure, curious wild animals and free-flying birds stumble upon the ultimate object of intrigue, a giant open sandbox. A wandering fox, a watchful deer, a clever raccoon, and a flock of chirping sparrows all gather at this strange, soft landscape of endless possibilities. They sniff, scratch, peck, and play, transforming a simple box of sand into a stage for natural curiosity, hilarious antics. Parrots belong to the Psittacidae family. Parrots are known for their bright feathers, strong curved beaks, and zygodactyl feet, 2 toes forward, 2 backward. Parrots are omnivores, eating fruits, seeds, nuts, buds, and sometimes insects. Parrots are among the smartest birds on Earth. Parrots use their voices, Peacocks are native to India and Sri Lanka, but now live in many countries around the world. Male peacocks are famous for their brilliant blue and green plumage and long, shimmering tail feathers, called a train. Peacocks are polygamous, meaning one male mates with several females. Peacocks often forage on the ground. Reindeer are one of the few deer species to have been widely domesticated, primarily by the Sami people of Northern Europe and other Arctic indigenous groups. Reindeer are surprisingly vocal. They make a variety of grunts and snorts and a unique clicking sound. Reindeer can see light in the ultraviolet UV spectrum. Ostriches are flightless birds, but they make up for it with their incredible speed and size. Ostriches are the largest birds in the world, standing up to 9 feet, 2.7 meters tall. Ostriches are the fastest running birds, reaching speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour, 43 miles per hour. Ostriches are omnivores. Snakes are reptiles and belong to the serpent suborder. Snakes live on every continent except Antarctica. Snakes have no legs, but they can move in many amazing ways, by slithering, sidewinding, or climbing. Snakes use their muscles and belly scales to move across surfaces. Spoonbills are wading birds, meaning they live and feed in shallow wetlands, marshes, and lakes. Spoonbills live on every continent except Antarctica. Spoonbills feed by swinging their bills side to side through shallow water. Spoonbills are large, elegant birds, standing up to 1 meter, 3 feet tall. Spoonbills are colonial nesters. Shoebills are tall, gray-blue birds with long legs, broad wings, and striking yellow eyes. Shoebills live in tropical East Africa, mainly in South Sudan, Uganda, Tanzania, and Zambia. Shoebills are carnivorous. They eat fish, frogs, water snakes, baby crocodiles, and even small turtles. The shoebill's large bill helps it grab slippery prey. Camels are known as the ships of the desert because they travel easily across sand. A camel's hump stores fat, not water. It's used for energy when food is scarce. Camels can drink up to 40 gallons, 150 liters of water in one go. Camels have special blood cells that allow them to handle dehydration better than most animals. Ibises belong to the Thresciornithidae family, which also includes spoonbills. Ibises are omnivorous, feeding on insects, crustaceans, small fish, frogs, and sometimes plants. Ibises are social birds, often living and nesting in large colonies. Ibises are migratory birds, traveling long distances between breeding and feeding grounds. Cows are incredibly social animals and love spending time in groups, forming close friendships with certain members of the herd. They can recognize more than 100 different faces, both cows and humans, and remember them for years. Cows also communicate through a variety of sounds, body movements, and even facial expressions to show excitement, stress, or curiosity. A cow's sense of smell is amazing. Flamingos belong to the Phoenicopteridae family. Flamingos are very social. They live in large colonies that can include thousands of birds. Flamingos build cone-shaped mud nests to keep their eggs safe from flooding. Flamingo chicks are born gray or white and turn pink after eating carotenoid-rich food over time. Flamingos feed with their heads upside down, filtering food through their unique beaks. Bulls belong to the same species as cows, Bos taurus. Bulls are known for their muscular build, strength, and aggression. Bulls can weigh anywhere from 1,000 to 2,400 pounds, 450 to 1,100 kilograms, depending on the breed. Bulls have thick necks and powerful shoulders. That's what gives them their strength. Bulls have strong senses, especially smell and hearing. Bears live in forests, mountains, tundras, and even icy Arctic regions. Bears are mammals and belong to the family Ursidae. Bears have strong bodies, thick fur, and powerful claws for digging and climbing. Bears have an excellent sense of smell, which is 7 times stronger than a bloodhound's. Bears are omnivores. Black swans have black feathers, a bright red beak, and white wingtips that are visible during flight. Adult black swans can grow up to 1.3 meters, 4.3 feet long, with a wingspan of 2 meters, 6.5 feet. Black swans live near lakes, rivers, and wetlands. Black swans are graceful flyers despite their size. They often migrate or move between water bodies. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. African elephants are the biggest, while Asian elephants have smaller ears and rounder heads. Elephants live in savannas, forests, deserts, and swamps across Africa and Asia. Elephants are very strong. They can carry loads over 600 pounds, 270 kilograms, with their trunks. Elephants use their trunks to eat. Toucans belong to the Rhamphasidae family. Toucans are known for their large, colorful bills, which can be as long as half their body length. Toucans are medium-sized birds, about 18 to 24 inches, 45 to 60 centimeters long depending on the species. Toucans live in rainforests, usually high up in the tree canopies. Toucans are omnivores, eating mostly fruit. Lions spend up to 20 hours a day resting or sleeping. They're most active at night, nocturnal, when it's cooler for hunting. Lion cubs are born blind and helpless, with faint spots that fade as they grow. Lions live mostly in Africa, in savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands. A small population of Asiatic They see how the raccoon's nimble paws leave delicate hand-like prints, how the deer's hooves make deep paired impressions, and how birds create tiny star-shaped marks with their feet. They learn that the sandbox isn't just for building castles, it's a dynamic map of animal behavior.